Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're uncovering the design behind the complex software you use daily.
It all starts with solving the challenge of complexity and scale. Okay, let's dive into this.
Instead of one giant program, modern software breaks the problem into smaller, manageable pieces.
And this is the foundational concept, what we call a distributed system. This illustrates the basic idea perfectly. Each site just handles a part of the workload.
This approach has huge advantages, like scalability and making it way easier to spot any failures.
So how do you stop all these moving parts from turning into total chaos? Well, that's the trick. It's a crucial piece of software called middleware, kind of like the head chef in a busy kitchen.
Now, what's really cool is how these systems are designed using proven, well-established patterns.
There are a bunch of patterns, and each one solves a very specific kind of problem.
For example, CQRS splits reads from writes, while sharding assigns certain tasks to dedicated services.
But a blueprint is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need a solid construction plan.
A common way to do this is with the unified process, which organizes the whole development lifecycle. This chart really lays out the whole life cycle, with different tasks happening in parallel across phases. The key thing is it breaks development into 4 main phases, from the first idea to the final release. All right, let's see how all this applies to something we use every single day, web applications. Unlike desktop apps, web apps are updated centrally, and you can get to them from pretty much anywhere.
So web apps run on a server and talk to your browser using a core protocol called HTTP.
This diagram shows that simple but really powerful flow. Your browser asks, and the server answers. And today's web apps use advanced architectures, many built on these exact distributed principles we just saw.
Yeah, microservices are a perfect example of distributed system design in action. It's really clever.
So from huge networks to structured plans, that's the layered thinking behind your favorite apps.
As our digital world gets more and more complex, you have to wonder, what new blueprints are next?